Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you the Startimes Nigeria customer care number. So in case you are finding any problem on your decoder, or you are to activate a new decoder and you like to contact them for help, the number will be on your screen bar. For you to check the current active number, you pick up your Startimes remote and press on the menu button, which is the M button on your remote, and then put it on a self-service. Search from the list from the menu and then put it on self-service. Press OK on it, and on the self-service menu you come down to the last option, which is the contact us over here, and as you can see, you have the Nigerian number over there, which begins with 0946188888. The number will be highlighted on your screen as well. So you pick the number and then you call them for help. Alright, that's it. If you find this video helpful, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you come back for more. Thanks for watching.